What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? Happy weekend, beautiful sunny day here in South Africa. And what I've got prepared for you guys in today's video, I'm really excited to share with you guys. I'm going to show you how you can automatically upload PDFs and digital products online and make just over $3 every time you do so. Now, this isn't something that's going to make you hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars. However, it can. And it's something that will take years of consistency if you want to get to that level. And also, it's not going to happen for everybody. Personally, I've sold digital products online now for the past 4 years through various different platforms, various different payment gateways, and various different products. I'm going to show you one of my latest platforms and the results of how that is doing. I'm also going to show you how you can access a database or a website with over 12,000 free PDFs, free ebooks, free video courses, free software programs, and free website templates that you are allowed to sell and keep 100% of the profits. I'm also going to give you at the end of this video a free 13-minute course on how you can create your own automated content to start selling these digital products passively. All of this is 100% free to do and super flexible to do. Whether you're working a 9-to-5 job at the moment, whether you're a university student or you've got lots of time in your day, this is something really, really simple yet so effective that you can apply to start making a great side hustle income online. And the best thing is, this is also scalable to a massive, large-scale online business. So firstly, I want to show you the particular platform that I've been using for the past 12 months. Very similar, pretty much the exact same concept in what I'm going to teach you in today's video is selling of digital products online. I've made over $47,000, just under $48,000 in the past 12 months selling this particular digital product, which also has got to do with video courses, ebooks, etc., etc. And that is what is doable with something like this. Now, I've worked very hard at this. I've put a lot of effort into this. I've made sure in what I'm selling gives really good value to my audience and is not just a piece of junk that I'm selling for the sake of money. I put a lot of my effort and time into focusing on the quality that I'm delivering to my audience. So that is also why a big reason my digital businesses do very well is because I put a lot of focus into the quality of my product for my audience to actually have an impact on their life. Now, how exactly can we go and find these products? How exactly can we deliver this quality to our leads and our clients? A fantastic place to go and do this and to go and find these products. As this website states, there is over 12,590 PLR products. PLR is a product that gives you the license to resell and rebrand. So there's no copyright attached to any of these products, which you can resell and keep 100% of the profits. Now just imagine if you took all 12,000 of these products, started your own digital audiobook or ebook website similar to Amazon Books, where you're selling different books and different products, and you get one sale per product per day. It's a lot of money every single month. And that is where this sort of thing is scalable too. Now, if you hover over the category section on the top left-hand side on the menu bar, you will see ebooks and reports, software and scripts, articles, newsletters, blog posts, videos, tutorials, and courses. Personally, my favorite category. Information selling and course selling on the internet is a multi-billion-dollar industry. There's so much money to be made there. You just need to know how to approach it correctly and how to deliver correctly to an audience that is willing to buy from you. So I'm going to use the example of videos, tutorials, and courses for today's video, personally because it's the category where I've made most of my money with this. And if you scroll through all of these courses, there's one page with close to, I would say, about 50 courses, and there's over 2,300 pages. There's unlimited amounts of courses that you can find on the site. The second one, for example, a really great course that I've spoken about before on my channel, the Etsy Profits video course. Now, this is a basic course that will teach people how to go and start an Etsy store and how to make that store profitable. A really handy income skill or high income skill that you will be taught and that you will keep with you for the rest of your life. So there's one of two things that you can do with this. You can either go and execute these high income skills, or you can go and sell them. And if you think about it, isn't that what every industry in the world does? They're either executing on something or they're teaching people how to execute on something. Think about a doctor or a dentist. They've studied, they've learned their skill, and they're now executing it. They are making that active income, executing what they're doing. Think about teachers. They've studied how to run a business or how to speak English, but instead of running a business or being a scientist, they're rather making you money by teaching you that skill, how to be a scientist or how to be a businessman. So again, those are the two different ways that really every industry in this world relies on making their money. They're either selling to people or they're executing their skills, which relates so nicely to this. So I'm going to use the example of the Etsy Profits video upgrade for today's video. You can click on this product, and this website's 100% free. You can immediately click on download. It might ask you to sign into your account, and you'll see over there it just downloaded to my PC now. Once you've downloaded that to your PC, it's going to look like a zip folder where you can right click on WinRAR and click on extract here, and it's going to extract that folder to your PC. So I can double click on this and I can view all of the modules within this video course. So module 1 is actually all of the video content. And as you can see, this is video 1 to video 10. So this is a 10 video series. And if I open this up, they talk about the power of SEO, how it can help your Etsy shop, and how to start ranking your shop on the top Google pages. So really handy skills that you can be taught through these modules. They also give you a whole bunch of different information, such as upsell pages for you to go and sell this product. But I'm going to teach you that a different way. Now that we've got a product ready to go and sell, how do we automatically get sales with this? Well, firstly, we have to go and upload this product to a platform online that is public to the world that will allow us to go and capture these sales. The website that I'm going to recommend to you, and I'm going to give you a full tutorial right now, is called wop.com. On the top right-hand side, click on Start Selling. And over here, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. I'm going to click on Create New, and we can name our shop, for example, the Etsy Profitable Store Guide. Click on Next. Our category would be e-commerce because Etsy has got to do with selling online. So we can click on Next, and now it's creating our page. So over here, we can click on Edit Store, and this is our homepage where we can go and start to design our store. This is exactly what it's going to look like. We can add a picture, our tagline, our packages, our pricing, etc. Really easy. And I really love wop.com. It's completely free, by the way. And the fantastic thing about Wop is that they're their own independent e-com platform where you can sell courses, you can sell membership areas or mentorships. They don't rely on PayPal or Stripe. They have their own independent payment gateway as well. Let's start off with our image on our online store. We can come over to our folder where we've downloaded this Etsy course. We want to look for anything that's got to do with images. Let's try featured images. We can zoom in on this, see if there's anything over here. This looks pretty cool. This picture here, claim your copy of this brand new Etsy course, instant access here. So we can click on, I think we can drag it on. We can click on our image. We can click on upload, come back to the same folder under featured images, PNG. We can zoom in on this first picture here. Let's double click on that. And just like that, looks more than fine. For our tagline, we can just come over to the Etsy video upgrade, and we can literally copy the exact tagline or tagline that's over here. Paste it over here and click on save. All right, for our features, we can click on new feature. And again, matter of copy and paste. 5 do's of Etsy success. We can paste this over here, click on save, new feature, come back to Etsy, and over here, build your Etsy brand. We can copy that as is, and we can just use that emoji, for example. And then once we've got a couple of features over here copied from our Etsy page on IDPLR, we can come back to wop.com over here. We can add some frequently asked questions. Not really that important right now because the thing is we don't need that section. For our page name, we already have that set up. For our features, we've got that set up. We don't need to worry about stock, our creator details, etc. We can leave as is. Once this is done, we can click on back and come back to our homepage over here. We then want to add our courses app over here. So click on add app. because ultimately we want to be selling this digital product, this course or this PDF guide. Click on create your course now, your course name, the Etsy profitable guide. Click on continue for your course tagline, profitable, or create guide to creating profitable Etsy stores. Click on continue. For the description, this course will teach you how to create and optimize your Etsy store for maximum profitability. If you aren't too sure what to type, you can just go and copy and paste this into ChatGPT and it will give you answers. But that's just what I'm coming off with the top of my head. Click on continue and we should be at the last section now. Our course guide or our course is now live. So click on take a look around and we just need to upload the relative content. So over here, chapter 1, the Etsy profitable guide. And over here, we can just type lesson 1. Click on upload video file. Come over to the folder where we've saved our Etsy course, the videos, and upload video number 1. Once that's uploaded, go and upload all of your videos in chronological order. You'll see it's from, well, come back to this folder here. Video 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way to number 10. So you want to upload video number 2 in lesson 2, video number 3 in lesson 3, and so forth, so forth. You can add a new lesson by clicking on new lesson and clicking on video. Click on create lesson over here, and it will add it to your drop-down section that looks like this. Okay, and then you can upload your video here. Once that's done, you can click on preview as a user. So over here, you can see start course, our access. We need to go and click on create product, click on paid, click on continue, payment frequency. A single payment is fine. If you want to charge a monthly subscription, that's also fine, but I recommend single payments. Our price, we can start off with a really basic price. Let's start off with $17.99. Our offer never expires. We can click on continue. We can make this visible to the public or hidden. Click on continue. And we've now created our product. Click on done. Click on analytics. You can also view the analytics of your store, the amount of clicks that you're getting, traffic, questions, the amount of students that you've got, etc., etc. But once that's done, we can then copy the link to our course page. Take a look at this. Once I paste this into a new tab, this is what our product page is starting to look like. If it says this product is currently out of stock, it's really easy to go and fix that. Come back to your Etsy store over here, click on dashboard, click on the actual product, and we just need to go and edit the quantity. We need to change the visibility to not hidden, visible to public. That was my mistake. Unlimited stock, update price. Now, when I refresh this, it should load onto the page. And once users check out with their card information, you will then receive $17.99 to your WOP account. It looks something like this. I'll actually give you an example. I'm just coming to my WOP dashboard quickly. You can click on the drop down, click on your balance. And right over here, you will see your revenue, pending balance available for payout. You can then click on withdraw to bank. And over here, you can type in your amount, click on confirm and click on withdraw to bank. And it will send it straight to your bank account, which is really epic. That's why I love wop.com. And a really easy way to go and sell these digital products online. Now, what I'm going to do is I actually made a very similar video to this earlier in the week. How you can actually go and create your fully fledged online Shopify store, selling these types of digital products and digital ebooks or audiobooks through a worldwide franchise store. And to go and create this is actually so easy. This is how you can sell individual products. And in this video, I'm also going to teach you a epic traffic way on how you can hijack Facebook ads to really go and start getting a ton of sales with this. So I'm going to leave that for part 2, which I'm going to upload and put right on the screen over here for you guys. So if you guys want to follow up through this video, now that you know how to go and sell these particular products, this video is going to teach you how to go and create the optimized content, how to scale this into a fully fledged marketplace with hundreds of different products and digital products make sure to click on this video over here and I'll see you on the inside.